Hello, I'm teacher Isaac Neto. I teach biology and agriculture. Today I'm glad to take you through a biology lesson in Form 4 under genetics. It is called complete dominance. At the end of this lesson, you are going to know how to describe complete dominance. You will also be able to define some terms including the homozygous, the heterozygous, the homozygote, the heterozygote. You will also be able to define the dominant gene and recessive gene. So allow me describe what is complete dominance. Dominant gene, in this complete dominance, dominant gene completely masks the expression of other gene in a heterozygous condition. Now, in this case, the dominant gene completely masks the expression of the other gene in a heterozygous condition. So that is what we call, that is what we refer to as complete dominance. Complete dominance, I've said, is when dominant gene completely masks the expression of the other gene in a heterozygous condition. In other words, at this given case, one of the gene is dominant and the other one is recessive. And you can see an example is capital T here, which is this is showing the alleles, the allele, whereby in this allelic gene, one is dominant, the other one is recessive. So the capital one is dominant gene, the small one is the recessive gene. So in this case, now we refer to this case or this condition as heterozygous. It's a heterozygous. So in short, complete dominance means is that when a dominant gene completely masks the expression of the other gene in a heterozygous condition. This takes us now to what is a dominant gene. A dominant gene is a gene that expresses itself in both homozygous and heterozygous condition. Is a gene that expresses itself in both homozygous and heterozygous condition. An example of homozygous condition is TT. This is homozygous because they are similar, they are identical. These ones, they are identical. This one is the dominant. All of them are dominant. So they are expressing themselves in a homozygous condition, and homozygous meaning in this case the allelic genes are identical. So this is homozygous condition. Homozygous. Then this one, like for example, in a heterozygous condition, this the example we gave there is when we have capital T and the small t. So in this condition, the alleles are not identical. The allelic genes are not identical. That means they cannot, these ones do not look alike. If you look at them, the one of them is the capital, the other one is the small. So this one is the heterozygous. So these alleles or these allelic genes are in homozygous condition. These allelic genes, they are in heterozygous condition. So let us look at now recessive gene. Recessive gene. When we look at recessive gene, this is a condition. Is a gene that expresses itself only in homozygous condition. Zygous condition in gene. So recessive gene is a gene that expresses itself only in homozygous condition, only in homozygous condition, not anywhere else. So this gene, this recessive gene, will only express itself in homozygous condition, not anything anywhere else. So the homozygous condition for this recessive gene, an example is this one. So this one is a recessive, a homozygous condition, and this is the recessive, only the recessive genes only. Remember here we said this is dominant gene, this small one is recessive gene. So in this case, the recessive gene only express themselves fully in a homozygous condition. Maybe you may be wondering what is now homozygous? Homozygous. Homozygous homozygous condition. Homozygous condition, we have homozygous condition, we have the heterozygous condition. So let us look at homozygous condition. When we talk about homozygous condition, this is where is a condition where allelic genes are identical. Is a condition where allelic genes are identical. So the condition where allelic genes are identical is what we refer to as homozygous condition. What is homozygous condition? Is a condition. What is homozygous? Is a condition where the allelic genes are identical. An example. TT, capital T, are they identical? The answer is yes, because all of them are capital. Then you see the small letter T, all of them are identical. So in this condition, this is what we refer to as homozygous. Homozygous because they look same, they are identical, they are same, they look same. So that means this condition is homozygous. It's a homozygous condition where you find allelic genes are identical. Now, individuals who have these identical genes are called homozygotes. In short, we are saying individuals with identical allelic genes are known as homozygotes. Are known as homozygotes. Individuals who have got their alleles being identical are referred to as homozygote. So that is individual. Now let's look at heterozygous. When we talk about heterozygous is a condition, is also a condition, is a condition where allelic genes are not identical. E.g., so the condition where allelic genes are not identical is what we refer to as heterozygous. It's just like if you mix water and oil, you'll get two layers. So they are not same. So something hetero or heterozygous condition, it means that the alleles are no longer same, are no longer identical. And for example, when you look at this, capital T and small t, are they identical? The answer is no. Why? This one is capital, this one is the small letter. And therefore, for this condition, it is referred to as homozygous condition. Homozygous is a condition where allelic genes are not identical, they are not same. Now, who are these individuals? Individuals now, additionally, individuals with allelic genes, which are not identical, are known as heterozygotes. They are known as heterozygotes. Individuals who are having allelic genes which are not identical are known as heterozygotes. Thank you very much. If you have any question, feel free to enter the question in form of a text or a comment under this video. I'll be able to answer you at the moment I receive that message. Otherwise, I wish you all the best as you pursue your biology course in your Form 4 class. I wish you all the best. Follow me for more lessons. Thank you very much. Goodbye.